Happy Thursday, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. The crypto market seems to be heating up as I sit down to record. Things are looking good. We're up again on the whole about 5%, and we're talking about Bitcoin. Positive price trajectories all of a sudden are coming out. Analysts seem to be enthusiastic and optimistic. Once again, we're going to be talking Ethereum in today's video. We're also going to be discussing Immutable X and Cardano in today's Altcoin Buzz news for July 7th, 2022. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. We are a crypto investment research company. We have documented many 100x returns on coins and tokens that are top projects today, really before anyone else was even talking about them. And if you want to see our detailed process for researching such projects, then our new and improved Altcoin Buzz Access Group is for you. Our plans start at $99 monthly. Be sure to click the link below for more information. Of course, we endeavor to provide you with useful, sometimes actionable information, but this is a space that has a lot of corresponding risk. And so if you choose to invest, understand that that risk is always present, and also understand that these videos do not constitute official financial or investment advice. With that being said, let's launch into the news today. As we can see, and at the time of this recording, the market cap seems to be hovering just over $1 trillion. The market is up on the whole 5% today, with Bitcoin back up above $21,000, actually closer to $22,000 here as I speak. So we're seeing nice returns, 7%, 8% across the board, and some double-digit returns for some of the hardest hit altcoins over the course of this last week. So 7-day trends, in some cases that are reflecting double-digit percentage gains. I feel like it's been a long time since we've seen that kind of optimism, that kind of move to the upside, but it's a green sea for once. Feels like a long time since I've been able to say that, but some pretty good numbers here for this Thursday, not too bad. And slowly but surely, analysts are starting to change their tunes. There's still a lot of naysayers out there, no question about that. But here on Cointelegraph.com, you have a Bloomberg analyst that's suggesting a BTC recovery could be something to look out for in the next 6 months. Mike McGlone, I suppose, is suggesting that we're showing similar signs to the 2018 bottom here. So specifically with this quote, with the Bloomberg Galaxy Crypto Index nearing a similar drawdown to the 2018 bottom and Bitcoin's discount to its 50 and 100 week moving average, similar to past foundations, risk versus reward is tilting toward responsive investors in the 2-hour windows. He suggests that it's going to go in one of either two extreme directions. So Bitcoin could be one of the greatest bull markets in history at a relatively discounted price to start 2 hours, or the crypto may be a failing experiment in the process of being made redundant like crude oil. Our bias, however, is Bitcoin adoption is more likely to continue rising. If we go back and check up on Ethereum in the last 24 hours, it is up 7%, up 13% in the last 7 days. So Ethereum seeing some nice positive price activity here. And we can attribute that to a couple of things. First of all here, Ethereum testnet merge, mostly successful. There are hiccups, but that's not going to delay the merge. Merge trials on testnets are essential to allow Ethereum developers and independent project developers to understand what they can expect when the actual merge takes place. Just in, according to Watch Your Guru, the number of addresses holding at least one Ethereum has reached a new all-time high, now sitting at over 1,525,000. So there is reason to be optimistic here. Ether has jumped 5% following Ethereum Sepolia testnet merge, which was successful. Then we have Goerli up next. And not to rehash all the gory details here, but if you're not up to speed with some of the technicals relating to Ethereum, to the merge, go back and check out our video. It should be popping up above my head right now if you'd like to get up to speed on exactly why we think this is such a big deal and why we do firmly believe that Ethereum's best days are ahead. We make no bones about that. That is our point of view. We are firm, we are adamant in that opinion. Switching gears a little bit here, hard to believe that Binance is already turning 5 years old, but to celebrate, they are offering 0 trading fees for a whole bunch of Bitcoin pairs. Maybe some of these trading fees are already on your radar, but maybe you've been avoiding them for one reason or another. If this is incentive enough to take another look, then just something that you ought to know about here. So these 13 trading pairs are as follows in celebration of Binance's 5th birthday. We have BTC AUD, BTC BIDR, BTC BRL. Not to read all of them, but there's the list right there. You can check that out. Make sure that you can hopefully avail yourself of this opportunity. Good luck. Let's talk Cardano. and Charles Hoskinson, more specifically IOHK Input Output Hong Kong. They are introducing the Cardano EVM Sidechain. So courtesy of @InputOutputHK, the Cardano EVM Sidechain is a fully decentralized scalability solution deployed by IOG. Find out more about its features, benefits, and delivery parts. Go into that article here on iohk.io. You're going to get a little bit of a rundown, introductory in a sense, as to why interoperability is so important. Likely, if you've been following our content on this channel, you know a little bit about that already. But let's get into the EVM itself and why it's so important. So the Cardano EVM sidechain will be the first sidechain built and released by IOG with the goal of opening Cardano up to Solidity developers. And the EVM sidechain will allow Solidity developer community to build dApps on a lower fees and environmentally friendly platform, which consumes far less energy than proof of work blockchains. Cardano is one of those projects that is in green today, ticker ADA. It is up 3.6% on the day, likely due at least in part to some of that positive EVM news. And Immutable X is in the news. It is an Ethereum scaling system, and they are now allowing Ether to dollar withdrawals. And it's a tool that's one of the first layer 2 services that are actually going to allow users to take out US dollars. Guys, check out our recent coverage on Immutable X if you've not already. If you're totally unfamiliar with Immutable X, in a nutshell, it's a decentralized layer 2 solution that purports to enable faster, cheaper, and more energy efficient transactions than the Ethereum mainnet, which we know is expensive and is congested. And as per developer documents, Immutable can provide more than 9,000 TPS, while the Ethereum network averages just over 10.5 TPS. That is of this morning. So pretty big disparity there. Quite a bit of positivity then in the crypto space today. Best of luck, guys, if you choose to invest, but never financial advice. Kudos if you're still watching. If that is the case, be sure to like, subscribe, share, hit the bell to receive notifications. Check out these videos popping up to my left, to my right. Stay safe out there, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. As always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video.